Oh, so cute. Can you say hello to Mom and Dad? Or are you guys too busy? Hmm? Up. Be careful, don't knock anything over. So cute. Serval used the toy last night. About 2 in the morning, I all of a sudden heard someone peeing. And it was Serval. Woo, there she goes. Say bye, Mom. Mashka. Mashka. Can you say bye? No? Okay. Bye, Serval.